Okay, welcome to the lab. So we're looking at configuring and applying standard numbered access lists. We're going to be doing quite a few access lists actually. You can see the topology here. Obviously your interfaces may be different, but you just connect two routers with a serial cable, back to back it's called. There'll be some loopbacks on one of our routers which we'll be adding. So I'm on router 1. Looking at this output window, it looks like I'm using GNS3. You can't actually put a clock rate on GNS3, both sides have automatically got a clock on, but I'll show you the command clock space rate. Now you can see all the different clock rates you have to choose from. I think the lab is telling you to do 768. Okay. As I said, I can't put it in because GNS3 won't let me. Or if I can put it in. I didn't have numlock for some reason also. That doesn't seem to work automatically, so I have to enable numlock in order for the number keypad for the right hand side to work. So we can ping across our serial interface. So we've proved off our IP connectivity. It's an important step for all our labs, especially so for access lists, because you're going to be troubleshooting your access list if it doesn't work, when really the problem is IP connectivity. You can't connect from one side to the other, so the access list isn't actually a factor even though you're troubleshooting it. Do a default route. Any traffic for any network will go out of a serial 0/0, and you don't have to, but you can add the next hop IP address also. Just a quick check of the lab to see what we have to do. As the labs go on, I won't be walking you through many of these steps because you'll have done them before, so it's just silly me repeating them over and over when you should be able to do it. Because obviously human nature is we'll just watch along, and that isn't what I want you to do. I want you to be able to do all that yourself. So adding our loopback address to router 3 at the moment. So we'll ping from a source address. I think you'd have to do this with an extended ping on Packet Tracer. So the most important thing now, adding the access list. For some of the commands or some of the access lists, I won't be adding the remarks. I just wanted to show you how to do it. But you'll be able to add those yourself when you look at the solution. So we're adding our permit and deny networks. Obviously the end of the access list is deny everything, so we do need some permits in there. Or if your access list statement is all denies, we need a permit at the end. If it's all permits, we often have a deny at the end. Or not just deny, not just deny IP any, but deny TCP or UDP or Telnet, or depends what you're trying to achieve. So I've gone into the interface, serial 0/0, IP access -group is the syntax, and then the number. Show IP access lists, and you can see our access list has been added here. Right, so our ping has been denied from the 172.16 network. Our 10.20.20 network is blocked. The other network's permitted.